Let's figure out what's going on in the cryptocurrency market. The alt season is the moment when Bitcoin begins to lose ground and altcoins come to the fore. Ethereum traditionally starts this process when Bitcoin soars down. Investors start looking for the other promising assets, and then Ethereum comes out, which not only holds its position in the market but may also show incredible growth in the coming weeks. But attention, it is followed directly by the large coins, Binance Coins, Cardano, Solana. These projects, like big giants, have prepared such surprises that soon the whole market will be shocked. Investments in these altcoins are already starting to bring constantly good results. And believe me, now is the time to come in. And that's where the fun begins. When the alt season is in full swing, it's the turn of the mid-cap altcoins. Avalanche, Polkadot, Chainlink. Have you heard about these coins? They are just beginning to reach their full potential. Now they look like the hidden diamonds on the market. But in the coming months, they may grow by 100%, 200%, or even 500%. And so, when the alt season enters the final stage, the real action begins. The market is actively reacting to the small and micro capitalized altcoins. These are the highest risk but also the largest profits. Which one of you is ready to take such risk and catch the excess? What is the important to understand now? The cryptocurrency market is not standing still. Investors are pushing the altcoin rate up, and regulation is starting to become more transparent. Attention, I'm talking about the billions of the dollars that can now go into the crypt. Imagine what this means for us traders. If you want to be among those who catch that alt seasons, act now. I'm ready to share with you the hottest forecast that will definitely help you to earn. Follow the link in the description, subscribe to my channel and get accurate signals for the most promising altcoins. Do not miss the chance to make a profit. The alt season is waiting for you. All the coins I'm talking about can bring you tens of thousands of the dollars. So don't wait, act now.